told you you were beautiful. Would you date me on the regular? Tell me would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you.
Alright, so I've done one as my map out, and now we're about to get into two. So the first thing I do is I take my nail drill. I'm not really sure what else you could use to like get this top layer off, and I do this just so that the glue will grip better and it will stick better to this. Although this doesn't seem super smooth, it has, you know, that layer on top. So I just basically file that top layer off so the glue will stick better. And then I think when I'm done with both, I'm gonna go back through with E6000, just because it is a stronger hold glue than a hot glue gun. The hot glue gun is necessary because you need them to stick in place so you can see where you need to fill at. This takes a couple days to fully adhere, dry, whatever it is. But I think it will be a stronger hold. So I think I'm gonna go back through both when I'm done with this one and just put E6000 in just so it has some more grip, because I plan on wearing these. The first time I wear these, I'm planning on wearing them to the airport, and you know that could be a time, so we need them to hold up. We don't need no one time just for picture type stuff. We trying to see if it will actually stand the test of being worn. So I'm about to file this off and then get to that. But it's a really easy project. You just glue and stick and glue and stick. I tried to map it out, and I kind of like I probably should have done that first, did the outer edges first and then filled it in the middle. But I was trying to make sure that the colors were even, so I kind of divided up all of the little stuffed animals into color groups. And then I tried to kind of make it throughout so it wasn't one color or one type of animal in one area. So I'm going to try to basically copy this shoe and put the placement exactly in the same spots so they match. And then we'll see what we have left in case I need to buy another pack. And I'll let you know at the end or in the beginning whenever I tell you what you need to make this. A pack of these I got one pack, like I said in the beginning probably. I got one pack and it came with 60 different animals. But now that I'm putting them on, they're a little smaller than I thought they were going to be, which is fine. They look cute. I just think I need probably one more pack to either do a bag, or I was just on the phone with my friend Jordan. If you don't follow J Brown, follow J Brown. I was just on the phone with Jordan. She was like, my order up next. And she said a bucket hat. And I said, oh, now I want a bucket hat. So I probably feel like I'll need another pack either way I go, but I don't know if I want a bag now or a bucket hat. But I just know I need a 3-piece set because the shoes aren't going to give like I need them to give by themselves. They need an additional accessory to make the set, you know? So we'll see. I'll probably decide by the time I finish this, but let me get to filing. Real. Oh, that girl is cute. Okay, that's too much now. I just keep looking at my skin. Girl, I was at homecoming and this girl, this random girl started talking to me. She had said something to me. I feel like I told you this. Did I tell you this? Okay, well, this random girl, I was sitting, you know, my feet was hurting, so I was sitting on a little divider thing. And this girl came up and she said, she told me or complimented me but I didn't hear her. I guess I was just in my phone. But then my best guy friend Furious walked up, and I was like, "What up?" So they was trying to slick holler at her because she was very, 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 very pretty. And so then we was about to take a shot or whatever, and she was just very like, "No, I'm waiting on Tenny." Like I'm like, is this happening? You know, I'm new to this shit, so I don't even know when bitches be flirting. And I'm like, is she just being nice or is she flirting? Like, what's happening right now? I don't know what's happening right now. I don't know where I was going with that story. What was I saying before that? Oh, she had complimented me, and then we got to talking or whatever, and she asked me how old I was, and I said I'm 31. She said, I thought you was like my age, 25. I said, yeah. Tell me I look young. I said, not 25 though. I said, okay, let me live there forever. Bitch gotta do whatever I gotta do to keep my skin looking. So yeah, that long story long, my skin be looking good. These bags gotta go though. Like, I don't know what that's about, but other than that. And I've been having a few little breakouts here lately, and that's been kind of annoying, but it's cool. It's cool, it's cool. We're gonna get together. That girl told me I look 25. Girls need love too. Okay, back to my shoes for fucking real now. Man, it feels so good outside right now. If the sun was out, it would be awesome. If you could paint with all the colors of the wind type feel good. You know, just, yeah. Yeah. All right, off to Walmart. Finna see if I can find a bucket hat. And I need to get something to eat anyway, so, yeah. Okay, so I see this hat, but it's $22, which it's not bad, but I also was trying to make this as cost effective as possible. But I do like this leather because that is very wintry, so it's a wintry bucket hat. Kind of like that. Let's see if they got something cheaper. Okay. Oh, I see a bucket. I only see one though. Is this my only option? I kind of got it together. It's more clean over here. Oh, options. I wish I had more bucket hat options, but this isn't bad. And cheaper. But if I cover up this good vibes part with the bears, oh yeah, this might be the one. Now I came to look at bags to see if I did want to do a bag instead. I kind of like this one. Kind of also wish it was black. But I like the utility, and I think this would be a good travel bag. If I'm not bringing my big ass tailpipe like I normally do, I'll have to be strategic with packing. But I think this one would be cute. So cute. Just when I was about to check out. Yep. That's the one. And it's 12. That's the one. That's it. Yeah, come on, Walmart, coming through. Yeah, it's about to be on it, poppin'. Okay, so pause. Is Madden NYC the Walmart version of Steve Madden? Because okay, period, Walmart. Okay, look at me coming up on something. Am I late? Am I early? Did I get y'all hip? Y'all let me know. Shit's so cute. And it's the last pink one. That's why you can't take me nowhere. Yeah, we have to get both. 2 for the price of 1, because I was about to get the leather one, so So with the bucket hat, we had a couple of trial and errors. I tried to design it. It ended up being really the same way 2 times, but I did different methods and the color placement was a little bit different. But either way, I didn't like it. So this is attempt 1, and what I was doing was just using T-pins and placing them all over the cap. I wanted it to be kind of mimicking the shoes with the Sttuffies just being everywhere. But in the end, I went with a different design. I ended up taking it off, like I said, and then I just changed the color placement around Still ended up not liking it. It was cute, but it just was not giving to me. It read childish when I wanted something a little bit more chic and trendy. So that's why the trial and errors occurred. I wouldn't say it was bad though, but the first attempt, I glued them down and I ended up not liking it. So I had to cut them off, which ruined the hat. So I had to get another hat and try again. And although this attempt with the hat didn't go well, the slides, yeah, they were so freaking cute. And after this, I also did end up doing a bag, which I didn't record, but same type of situation. I just glued the rest of my stuffed animals on, and I did end up getting another pack of, I think, maybe 30 more Sttuffies. So to complete the 3-piece set. But this was the final attempt, and what I decided to do was thread them together. I used clear string to start off, which was very sturdy. I used my T-pins again and strategized my color scheme, and I basically just did a rainbow. Then I used that clear thread and a weaving needle to thread them all together so I could make this detachable, because I really do love the hat on its own. And because I bought the last two that were in my location, I wanted this to be able to wear it with my beanies and without them. So I made this detachable, and I started with the clear string, and I was like, this is sturdy, but I want to be extra secure because I don't want this, if somebody tugs on it or it gets caught on something, to fall apart. So I ended up double threading it with the clear, and then I went back through it again with weaving needle or weaving thread, which is a little bit stronger. So you'll see that you can see the black thread in the end, and I wanted to do clear because I could put this on the pink cap as well. And you really don't see the black thread either, so I can put this on either hat. But the black went really well, of course, with the black hat. So even if the Sttuffies did kind of spread out, you wouldn't see the string. You would just see Sttuffies randomly spaced out on the hat. But I just wanted to make sure it was extra secure, and I do love the final finished product. And I love that this is detachable. So now, you know, we love versatile pieces in our closet, so that's what we did. And yeah, just finish watching, and then you'll see my final looks and how I styled them as airport wear, but this is errand wear. Throw on and make your accessories just a little bit more cute and fun and flirty and girly, and make your inner child happy. So yeah.